Omugaso ya mwanchu murigereria bwegeta kia Ndizi TV na inde tumeranire asemesa ya mangana maya ngumanye asenchera yo bwenge na raria yagendete gokoreka ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii na Kenya yonse kerotire kitariki kianda omutienyi no yo 12 omwaka bwechirwa Ibere na 2022 mwanchu murigereria sibali mwensi mogotobwatia gwetera senchera ye mitandao na otolebu na Ndizi TV News Digital abonensemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na ende na bogo tweet at Ndizi TV News wasotonyole gwetera se website ya www.ndizitv.or.ke wasotome ekerengererikiao gwetera se namba yesimi botambe ere ase TV yao nyiro mwancho murigereria chitariki echi cy'umutinyi 12 chitariki kianda nigo ense ya Kenya ekoinyora na guchengera lituko lyokorwania obokurumi aiga asense ya Kenya inyoranga nsende yonsi kogenderera goika obokurumi bonyareko babokorwaniwa abo asense ya Kenya obokurumi obo bokorwaniwa nekyombe kia Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission asense ya Kenya ayonga tiari na kwarganeria senchera yobwenge kabamo na inche goika omwelyo nkwirana ndasegekege kekerebosyo agera nkumanya yo mona yanda mange asenchera yobwenge. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita nole tokubwaterana komo kurwa sense moyebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tiganato ya chake kurwa senyancha ya Lake Victoria ase county ya Homa Bay abo ase omo commissioner gosomo director otenenere tamangana yoburubi gose fisheries okot arurege kurege tindi na goteneni morobeli bwansi bwo koruba chinsu chechimena ekerobo irire gose asobotuko korengana na okot nigatebire koruba gwechinsu asobotuko bogima nigo ekoirera production goso koruba gwechinsu echo komenteka asenyancha ya Lake Victoria nigatebire baikere toko igwano ko amone byombe ao biribitenere tamangana yoburubi ase county ya Homa Bay.
My name is George Okoth. I'm the county director of fisheries Homa Bay. The one issue that we have at the moment is the ban on omena fishing at night. This is something that had been happening long time ago to allow the lake to recover because fishermen have been complaining about poor catch of omena. In fact, the production has really gone down on the lake. So it is something that we have been discussing with the fishermen through their beach management unit leadership for some time. These discussions started last year, and there have been meetings even with the national government in Kisumu. And this year in October, we had a meeting at Koguna Beach, where a number of issues relating to fisheries were discussed, and one of them was omena fishing. And they saw the sense in putting the ban to allow the lake to recover so that the production can go up.
Ege ikaro igoro yokoligiari chibuli kiranu asengana yebinto bitotanaine wasokorenda ebinto bitotanaine no gonchorya kwerire nigege ikare kyokegenderete ase county ya Nairobi abwase ababwatani kroase byombe ao bagenderete goikirana ege ikare kyo nyora ense ya Kenya ne Chinsa korwasorogongo rwa Africa nigo chigenderete gwa kwano mochando bwomurakera kubwatikana no gonchorya kwerire egento kyaire ebyombe buna United Nations UN gati ebyombe binde bikiranire asegikaleri ekyo eliokoligiali chibuli kirano buna na kiense ya Kenya mone Chinsa chinde koro Africa kiranyariko bachiwe tanga na gukora omochando bugonchorya kwerire na kolenda ebinto bitwetanaine.
Problem is there, and actually it's not lack of vision, it's not lack of ambition, it's not lack of leadership. Actually it is there. If we talk about Africa, it takes us to the Agenda 2063. that actually is envisioning that we really enjoy prosperity and sustainable development, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, where actually goal number 2, the ambition is to end hunger and ensure food security and nutrition. And then we come to Kenya, we have the Vision 2030 also, we have the bottom-up approach now that is really aiming at leaving no one behind. So we have, but the challenges are really huge. And actually, the conversation today is on climate change. So climate change is really the big challenges that are impacting in agriculture.
Korwa sense moya lodwa nigo abakagirwa 11 babe kirubyara abo bara bakagirwa abo boibi banyariko bagucanda bamenyi bense moya lodwa asegeka egetambe ebono abo aseba kubaibera na gusalia ebinto ao ase enseme yokwana kyayo nomo county police commander Leminjeru oyotebire banyora ebinto ao gati abo amagasi alibagutumeka asenchira yokubakonya koiba na gosoa sechiduka ao nabo igo emioro agati yebirwaniriro binde ebyo banyora korwa ase abakageru abo nigo baigo arurege kurege tindi go cyase abamenyi be nsemo ya lodwa asatebira serikali bono nigere maiso asogo cyagokora bikoro binde byonsi byo bosalia anene chinga kiechense ya Kenya eyaliganete go cyase omoyega omonene bwe Christmas nomoyego monene bweli tuko lya Jamhuri Day chitaliki 12 cyumutinyoyo.
I want to report that following cases of burglary within the township, we've managed to make a breakthrough where we got information from informers and we managed to storm to Roger Base where we managed to arrest the suspects that you see behind me, and we recovered so many items that they used to break into shops. We recovered some of the items that they have stolen, and we're still pursuing other lanes. We still have other suspects that we are pursuing, and within no time we shall be able to catch up with them. Basically, they break into households where they steal household items. They break into shops and steal the shop items, and then the items they use, their crude weapons. They use bars, crude bars. They also use scissors that they use to cut into shops, and basically and the pangas. And very soon they will be arraigned in court.
Aba commissioner batano na babere abo bakolete kulingoli wane committee etenenerete enibo ase bunge gose finance and planning committee gekoragwa no munyakiro go mabunge Kuria Kimani no mukonyo ya Benjamin Lagat nigo baba etetie batano na babere abo gocha gutenenera gose gocha kuiralibaga ase kyombe kia Commission of Revenue Allocation ase egeka kemiaka etano no mo erebosio batano na babera abo nigo bagocha koira libagali aba commissioner bakoro abo etamu yabo egocha koera chitalike 34 moyo mutinyoyo abo asibanchiro twe kubwatekana n'obumanyi igoro yobuteneneri ibwenibo batano na babera abo ngamona Benedict Mutiso, Jonas Vincent Kuko, Isabella Nyambura, Hadija Nganyi Juma, Fatuma Agedi gati yabande abo bono bagucha koba asekyombe kyo revenue allocation asegekegetambe kirbosio.
Academic qualification, they have academic performance, and pertaining to Chapter 6 of the Constitution, we are able to receive information from all the government agencies.
All of them, Mr. Speaker, in their own special ways, they presented themselves well. They show that they know what they are going to do. They show that they know the mandate of CRA, Mr. Speaker, and therefore they passed the test, Mr. Speaker, all of them, Mr. Speaker.
These are Kenyans, including those other 4, who I believe are going to take CRA to the next level.
Ekiombe giokoreta obwamo asaba Kenya kia National Cohesion and Integration Commission NCIC amona barai korwase chi county cha Kitui ne county ya Tana River mbakoletege ikaro kia matukabere eliokoligali chibuli kera nubuna na kiba koreto morembe ase chi county echo inyora abatugi korwase chinseme chibire nigo banyaleko bakwene kia chisegi abo asaba tugi korwase county ya Kitui Kitui na Tana River bakorwanirira kurigia obonyansi ase gosase tugo yabo. Chinga kicho bari gukore gikarekyo nigo abarai korwase county ya Kitui na Tana River batebira abangi babo nigo bakwimukia chibunduki eyuere maminchane chiko asabono chinkwane echo chiganyereire gosenti chikoleta matunda na koleta omorembe asaba menyi be county ya Kitui ne county ya Tana River.
Ngamia kwa shamba ambayo imepandwa ndengu na kunde na mtama na inaharibu total disregard of the law, na pia wanakuja na bunduki. Kwa hivyo mkizozana vile watu lazima wazozane, anaenda atakuja na bunduki na atakuja kuua watu. Hiyo ni shida ya pili. Shida ya tatu ni kwamba hapo na pesa. Mfumaji angalia hapo na pesa. Na kule kwetu tunasema akitangulia kuingia kwa ofisi ya serikali mbele yako kwa sababu ana pesa, ukienda pale tuna malalamishi yako hutasikizwa.
Niliambiwa mwananchi afai kukaa na nini? Mtaki kuniitikia. Mwananchi afai kukaa na nini? Hiyo niliambiwa wewe ukiwa mdogo sana. Na nyakati. Na nikajua mwananchi afai kukaa na nini? Kwa nini wananchi hao wanaanza wananchi? Amani haiwezi patikana mtu mmoja akiwa na bunduki na mwingine akiwa nini? Mnanielewa? Are you getting me mkuu? Sasa viongozi wetu wagenisikia pale akuvai kwa bunduki.
Ensemo yebyombe byabaremi aiga sense ya Kenya nigo baumiranete abuigoro asomocho Nairobi abwase baburirie serikali kwangoya na gukora obututukanu bore asengana ya GMO abwase baburirie serikali gotugutera rumoroberio yo bogocha kuriya endagera isiko yense ya Kenya kolingana na barabo nigo batebire aba Kenya osensemo yabaremi korwa sense ya Kenya nigo babwate endagera enyinge nabono ne chinga kicho koleta ligasa abwasi baburira serikali kogoria abaremi ase ligoririgia elyo kwenekya buna indagera teligo chikobora ase ense ya Kenya nigo baigo batuguteirare omoroberio yo GMO nagoteba oyo tali moroberio muya ase obotumekibwa ba Kenya etugo nonyana ase megondo y'abaremi.
Not develop a crop that will produce poison and then give it to their families. Therefore, we have belief in our scientists that whatever they produce and give to us, it is safe for human, animal, and even the environment.
The government and other stakeholders should move with speed to address misinformation and perceptions about GMOs. We note with concern that lots of lies about GMOs have been spread widely.
Elio kwenekia na koleta amagenderero ase abamenyi borogongo rwa Western weikabarai korwa sense meyo banyarekoba bagokora imirimo asobwa mone serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nonye barenge asomrengo wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya kolingana no mugavana we county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembea nigo aboleti muraibwense gokora imirimo amanabarai korwa sense meya Western asatebire chikura nobochori ikomoelio neye nengaki yaba Kenya kwenekerigwa amagenderero nonya bagete kura nsemende yonsi ya gesiasa atembea boigo na muboletu muraibwense bune county ya Trans Nzoia gosorogongo rwa Western nigoro bwato botako bonge na igo kugania amagenderero gokorekana subwango asensemeyo nigaya kwaneta ya litkuri igoro chingaki muraibwense Dr. William Ruto atarete ensemo ya Western asiba umeranete me ya Kakamega State Lodge asaumiranete na baraibonsi korwa sensemo ya Western.
Ilikwisha. Wale walipiga kura pande hii, wengine wakapika pande hii, kura ilifanya nini? Ilikwisha. Sisi wote saizi tuko na rais mmoja tu. Wale walipiga upinzani, walipiga pale. Rais wa Kenya ni mmoja tu. Na ndiposa sisi tuko hapa, rais kudhihirishia kwamba sisi katika mipango yako ya serikali tutakuunga mkono. Na niseme tu kwamba mkoa wa Magharibi, Mheshimiwa Rais, huu mkoa wetu ndio umaskini unaishi, ulihamia huku. Watu wetu wako na matatizo kweli kweli. Sekta ile ya miwa ilikufa.
Nomo teneneri wekiombe kia akori emirimo Kenya kotu Francis Atwoli nere nariete yogocha kubwaterana na serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kwene kiabuna bakori emirimo ime yense ya Kenya banyorra bakoreri obuya. Atwoli nigaya kwaneta ya baigori tukuri igoro ime ya Kakamega State Lodge chingaki bamwareganeti muraibense Dr. William Ruto kumirana nabarai korwase orogongoro Western abwasate bire ochakero mwako wocha na chigwikirana asebikaro bya bakori emirimo isiko yense ya Kenya asara umirane na barai ao gati yabo asesabali ntangani ya isiko yense ya Kenya na chikumirana no murai yense ya Tanzania Suluhu abo asate bire barachiko kwa na mange igoro yobokoreri bwa bakori mirimo ase Chinsa echo Ibere.
Viongozi wa wafanyakazi wa kimataifa na hapa kwetu na Afrika Mashariki sababu hivyo na kukiwa na mambo ama mikutano mikubwa ya wafanyakazi kama kule Tanzania, mimi ndio nitakuwa huko kufungua huo mkutano na kiongozi wa nchi hiyo. Atakuja kule Ghana Accra, ambako niko na ofisi, mimi ndio nitafungua. Na itakuwa aibu sana Madam Suluhu Hassan, ambaye ni president jirani, aniulize ndugu Atwoli kule Kenya kukoje? Mwambie kuko sawa. Wakenya wa vijana wanasema kuko poa. Swali litakalofuatisha atauliza how is the administration of William Samoei Ruto? Serikali ya ndugu wangu William Samoei Ruto iko namna gani? Nyinyi mnatarajia nimwambie mimi niko kwa Azimio na ngojea serikali ya
na rayo aseba no mwanchu murigereria bagitaseni kya Ndizi TV kurenda mange chikoraga Chinsa 10 no cheko yaleterwa semesa ya mangana maya noyo minto Evelyn Osero kurende nigoto kumanya buna obocholi ase kirogo kyo senator ase county ya Bungoma nigo abamenyi be county eyo benyoreiro mo senator olio okuira libagari aye lio monogari bwe bunge Moses Masika wetangula ase obocholi obwo oyo gore kurigie kiroge kiwetera ase kya magia Ford Kenya David Wafula Wakoli nigo abeiro mobui mayaga yo kwenyorera chikura chiribu emerongo etano no monainye na kianda abwase abeiro mobui wetrase kya magia Ford Kenya kia yo monogali bwe bunge nene Moses Masika wetangula abwase abwatigwa korwa magega no yokolia ekeroge kyo so yo kolie keroge kyo wetera ase kiama kia UDA Wambu Mabonga oyobwate chikura chiribu emerongo enena isano chimia isano na isato meronge etano nomo na Ibere abwo asaba namba Ibere nakomobua oyo gatatu wetera ase kiama gia DAP Kenya Wafula wa Munyinyi korwase obomobwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya oyobwenyorera chikura chiribu emerongo Ibere na Ibere chimia Ibere merongo kianda na Isano nemo ige county ya Bungoma yenyoreiro mo senator wetera ase kiama gia Ford Kenya na rayo mwanchu muligereria sebono kurenda mange buna naika gogotebya buli tangani Chinsa 10 chimaragoba ya bono gwakangambia mono bali mwensi mwatobwatire wetera senchera yo mitandao Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook na baigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube orito baterana kama wetera asensemo yebimanyerelio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta no lionekya chibicha na maliogia gwikira senchera yo bwikiranu nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama na nchana ko yaletera senchera yo bwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'Omu Gusii. M-Star Electrical neduke koni vinto vyogo tumeke stima vyechi ngencho ao una chi switch, chi extensions, lamp holders, snake lights, contactors, cables, pipes, meter boxes, thunder arresters na earth rods, copper tapes, steel tapes, emesumari ya steel, chi sockets, chi screw, chi wire, chi circular boxes, cutouts, adapter boxes, dropping cables, consumer units, wall brackets, chandeliers, bulkheads, fluorescent tubes, motion sensors, photocells, double poles, MCBs, circular covers, downlighters, time-sheet glues, contact glues, wall plugs na cable clips. M-Star Electrical mbabuate Chinsa yechinde asumu chibuo yugis opposite